This short video right here explains how to use the COUNTIF formula in Microsoft Excel. So we have this data here, right? And we have this question here. The total number of times Asia is appearing in the continent column, that's here. So let's say you're trying to work on this data and you want to know the total number of times Asia is appearing here in this column. Simple and easy. So we are going to use the COUNTIF formula rather, right? For this type of question, we are going to use COUNTIF. We're just going to count. We are not going to sum anything up. Good. So what we are going to do is, let me first enter the formula here. So good. And we enter our count here. And it's COUNTIF. Good. So I assume you've already read about the formulas and how to use them. So this is just a practical example. So now we are going to, the first parameter is range, right? So the range is going to be here. So now let's select this range here. Good. And then a comma, and the criteria is Asia. Good. So just like you know, anytime you enter a character, you close it and you press your enter, and you can see we have it 13 times. So it has counted the number of times Asia is appearing in this column, which is 13 times. Simple and easy. So if you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.